Alpha.
The weather's so beautiful, hey? A little bit windy, but feeling great.
You know, this actually belonged to my sister, and she gave it to me.
Hi, I'm Bob from Blackmagic Design, and today we're going to talk about the new Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. It's our next generation 4K camera. It features dual ISO. It records at up to 60 frames per second in 4K, 12G capable, as well as 120 frames per second in HD. With the dual format for ISO, we can go up to 25,600, so it has incredible low light capability. So the idea here is that this camera is flexible in terms of size, but also has all the functionality. We have a 5-inch touchscreen back here, so we can go through all of the settings that people are used to in our Ursa Mini Pro because it has the same interface. It's the same Blackmagic OS. And it also has a USB-C output so that you can record directly to a disk. So if you record directly to a USB-C compatible drive, you can just plug it right into Resolve and go. It also has the ability to plug in with a mini XLR and a microphone on the side here. It has a full-size HDMI output, so you can go out to monitors. Headphone jack. It features 4 microphones. We have an internal battery, so it's the L6 battery from Canon. It's got a Micro Four Thirds mount. It's a full Micro Four Thirds sensor. The other thing that we have is the ability to shoot high frame rate. It's got even a high frame rate button right on the back, so you can instantly go right into high frame rate. With 13 stops of dynamic range, it not only shoots high frame rate, but it's an HDR capable camera. And it shoots 4K, both in ProRes and 12-bit RAW. It's not just a cinema camera, it also takes stills. So you can take 4K stills and 4K video at the same time. For $1,295, you get this incredible camera plus a copy of DaVinci Resolve Studio. And for more information, you can go to blackmagicdesign.com.
This camera has clear voice recording, which is perfect for recording your voice, even in windy places. Alpha.
Panasonic.